Good morning all of you. We are doing class 5 mathematics chapter number 4 multiplication and division. We have started the chapter and completed exercise number 4.1, exercise number 4.2 and the explanation part of division. Till here we have completed last day. Today we are going to start exercise number 4.3. In exercise number 4.3, question number 1 is divide using long division method. Also check the answers. And question number 2 is divide using the cancellation method. And question number 3 is divide using breaking a number and then dividing method. These three types of questions are there. So all these questions I have done for you so that it would be easy for you to understand the exercise. Let us start the exercise. So question number 1 is here. Divide 563 by 22. So simple, what we are doing in previous class, we will do same thing. We will put the number like this, 24 divided by 563. So 24 2s are 48. So 48 we have written. So 56 minus 48 equals to 8, and 3 we will take from there, so it would be 83. So 24 4s are 72, and the last number is 11, which is less than 24. That would be remainder. So the quotient is 23 and the remainder is 11. Sorry, here we have done 24 2s are and 24 3s are. 24 3s are 72. Now we have to check the answer. How we will check? We have already done this by a formula for checking. Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend is 563, we have written. Divisor is 24, so we have written. Quotient is 23, we have written, and remainder is 11, we have written. After doing the calculation, we have got 24 into 3 is equals to 552. So 563 equals to 552 plus 11 now equals to 563. That means this side, left hand side, is equals to right hand side. That means our sum is correct. Let us do another sum of this exercise only. Now we will do H number. Here it is given 9302 divided by 20. So we will have to put the number like this. So 20 divided by 962 is, so number H is 9302 divided by 20. So 20 we have written here, 20, and 9302 is here. So 20 ones are 20, 22s are 40. So we have got that 24s are 800 and 24s are 80 and 25s are 100, which is greater than 93. So we will take 80. So 24s are 80. After subtracting, we have got 13, and we will put 0 over there. From here we will take the 0 from here and put it over there. So the number becomes 130. So 26 are 120 and 27s are 140, which is greater than 130. So we will write 120 over there. After writing 120, we will subtract 120 from 130. We have got 10, and again we will take 2 from there, so the number becomes 102. So 25 is a 100. That means we will put 100 over there. After that, subtracting the numbers, we will get 2, and there is nothing left over here, so 2 would be the remainder, and quotient would be 465. Now we have to check the answer. Again we will take the same formula, dividend equals to divisor into quotient. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is dividend over here? 9302. What is divisor? Divisor is 20. What is quotient? Quotient we have got 465. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. So after calculating, we have got 9302 plus is equals to 9300, which we have got after multiplying 20 into 465 plus 2. Both the numbers we have got 9302 equals to 9302. So quotient equals to 465 and remainder equals to 2, and this is the required answer for our sum. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2, what is it asking? Let us check. Question number 2 is asking divide using the cancellation method. So we have to use the cancellation method over here. So question number 2, we will do the cancellation method. So here we are getting 5 divided 705 divided by 5, 50. 7050 divided by 50. So 10 we have omitted from here, cut from here, and 10 because 10 is present over here, 10 is present over here. So what is left? Left as 5 as divisor and dividend is 705. So we will do the simple calculation over here. 5 ones are 5, the remainder 2, so 0 will come over here, so 20, 5 fours are 20, and 5 will come over here, so 5 ones are 5, remainder is 0. So 7050 divided by 50 is equals to 141. This is the cancellation method. Again we will do one sum number E. Sum number A as given, divisor equals to 2000 and dividend equals to 88,000. So 3 zeros are present over here and 3 zeros are present over here. So we will cut all the 3 zeros, cross multiply the 3 zeros from 3 zeros, and the left is our divisor and dividend. So divisor is 2 and dividend is 88. Now we will do the calculations over here. So 88 divided by 2 is equals to 44. So 88,000 divided by 2000 equals to 44. Now we will move to question number 3. What is it asking? Question number 3 is asking divide using breaking a number and then dividing method. So divide using breaking a number and then dividing method. Let us proceed to do the sum. So question number 3A, 9650. So we will expand the number. So after expanding, we have got 9000 plus 600 plus 50. 9000 plus 600 plus 50. Now we will divide it by 10. Now we will divide all the numbers with 10. So 9000 divided by 10 equals to 900. 600 divided by 10 equals to 60. 50 divided by 10 equals to 5. So 9605 divided by 10 equals to 900 plus 60 plus 5 equals to 960. So we will take these 900 plus 60 plus 5, the quotient from here we have got that the quotient is 965. Now we will do another sum number D. 7525 divided by 25. So we will expand the number. Which one? The dividend 7525. After expanding, we have got 7000 plus 500 plus 20, and we will divide all these number with 25. So after dividing 7000 with 25, we have got quotient as 280, and 500 divided with 25 equals to 20, and 25 divided with 25 equals to 1. Now we will add all the quotients. So 7525 divided by 20 equals to 280 plus 20 plus 1 is equals to 301. So the quotient is 301. So we have completed this exercise number 4.3. Next day we will start the explanation of exercise number 4.1. Sorry, 4.3. Now leave it next day. We will start the explanation of exercise number 4.4 today only. So what is the question? What is the explanation of estimating the quotient? We have already learned how to estimate the number, the sums, difference and products of the given number. So we have already done it in addition, subtraction and multiplication. Here we have to estimate only. That means we have to round it off if it is greater than 5 or less than 5. We have to check the ones digit, tens digit, hundred digit, thousand, whatever is asking. So here estimating the quotient means rounding off the dividend and the divisor to the nearest and then divide the rounded off number to obtain the quotient. So let us do an exercise, an example, so that we will be able to understand. Estimate the quotient of 8346 divided by 17. So round off the dividend and the divisor to the nearest 10. Here what we are getting 6 ones digit, that means greater than 5, so we will round it off to the nearest 50. So 8350. And 17, it is also greater than 5, so it would be rounded off to 20. Now we will do the actual division. First of all, we will do the actual division. What is the actual division? So 8346 divided by 17. After doing the calculations, we have got the quotient as 490 and the remainder as 16. Now we will estimate the values. After estimating, the quotient is the divisor is 20 and dividend is 8350. After doing the calculations, we have got that the quotient is 417 and remainder is 10. So the estimated quotient is 417. What we have got in actual division 490. That means there is a huge difference. Okay, now we will do some word problems. A library has 2575 books. 28 books are kept in each shelf. Estimate how many shelves would be required to keep all the books. So we will estimate over here. Total number of books in the library is 2575. Number of books kept in one shelf is 28. So round off this number to the nearest 10. After rounding off these numbers, we have got that here 75, that means 2580, and this one is 28 rounded off to 30. So now divide 2580 by 30. So after doing the estimated division, we have got that the quotient is 86. So thus about 86 cells will be required to keep all the books. So the estimated quotient is 86. Now word problems. There are 1560 chocolates in 12 boxes. How many chocolates are there in each box? So we will take total chocolates in 12 boxes is equals to 1560. Number of chocolates in one box is equals to 1560 divided by 12. After doing the calculations, we have got the quotient. There is no remainder left. So quotient is 130. So there are 130 chocolates in each box. Now we have to frame word problems on division. Okay. That also we have completed in addition, subtraction and multiplication, and now we have to do it in division method also. Frame a word problem of 6250 divided by 25 and solve it. So we will take, so here it is told that you have to frame and solve also. If 25 school bags cost rupees 6250, so how much will each bag cost? So we will start the calculation. The sum word problem. Cost of 25 bags equals to rupees 6250. Now therefore cost of one bag equals to 6250 divided by 25. After doing the calculations, we have got the quotient without remainder, that is quotient is 250. So we will write 250. So the cost of one bag is equals to 250. Now last one is word problem including both multiplication and division. So we have to do this. So word problem exercise number 23. A baker sells 2820 buns in 12 days. How many buns he will sell in 26 days? That means first of all we have to do the division, then we have to multiply. First of all we have to calculate for one day how much he has sold, and after that we have to multiply it with 26. So number of buns sold in 12 days is equals to 2820. Number of buns sold in one day, so we have to divide. So 2820 divided by 12. After doing the calculation, we have got 235. That means in one day then he sold 235 buns. Now therefore number of buns which can be sold in 26 days, so we have to multiply. So we have got that in one day he has sold 235. So in 26 days equals to 235 into 26. After doing the calculations over here, we have got the answer 6110. So the baker can sell 6110 buns in 26 days. Now we have completed up to this. Next day we will start exercise number 4.4, and today's homework is exercise number 4.3. You have to do all the questions from here without seeing the answers which I have given, without seeing the solutions which I have done for you. Okay, next day we will start exercise number 4.4. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.